You shot me so damn well. You're a bum bum. You shot me, then you stopped, and I'm like damn, you're a bum bum. I see the satisfaction in your eyes, bum bum. I loved you and I trusted you so well. So I
5, 6,
Baby,
7,
I see
8.
what's on your mind. I see you try to find another life for me. And when I ask about it, when I ask, you're hiding from me. Confusing thoughts and mystery. I see our love was just a fantasy for me. You play me like nobody. When you were everything for me. You shot me so damn well. You don't bum bum. You shot me, then you got me, and I'm like damn. You don't bum bum. I see the satisfaction in your eyes. Bum bum bum. I loved you and I trusted you so well. So why, oh why, oh why? You shot me so damn well. You don't bum bum. You shot me, then you got me, and I'm like damn. You don't bum bum. I see the satisfaction in your eyes. Bum bum bum. I'm looking at you and I'm asking why. Oh why, oh why, oh why? Another face, no sympathy from me. You turn me to your enemy. I see. I wanna talk about it. 'Cause I don't have no reason to believe you. Confusing thoughts and mystery. I see. Our love was just a fantasy for me. You play me like nobody. You were everything for me. You shot me so damn well. You don't bum bum. You shot me, then you got me, and I'm like damn. You don't bum bum. I see the satisfaction in your eyes. Bum bum bum. I loved you and I trusted you so well. So why, oh why, oh why? You shot me so damn well. You don't bum bum. You shot me, then you got me, and I'm like damn. You don't bum bum. I see the satisfaction in your eyes. Bum bum bum. I'm looking at you and I'm asking why. Oh why, oh why, oh why? My soul is hollow. I know what you're hiding from me. Maybe tomorrow I'll see what you want me to see. D.I., baby, D.I. You shot me so you shot me, then you got me, and I'm like damn, you don't bum bum. I see the satisfaction in your eyes. Bum bum. I loved you and I trusted you so well. So why, oh why, oh why? You shot me so damn well. Bum bum. You shot me, then you got me, and I'm like damn, you don't bum bum. I see the satisfaction in your eyes. Bum bum bum. I'm looking at you and I'm asking why. Oh why, oh why, oh why?
This dance is Rampampam, choreographed by Mark Fennell and Chris Godden. It's a 32 count 4 line dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot, forward, scissor, cross, side, behind, quarter turn right. On the ball of your right foot, make a 3/4 turn to the right, hitching left, side, chassé. I'm back at 12 o'clock, weights on my left. Section 2, touch right behind, heel split, side, touch right to side, full turn to the right, quarter stepping forward on right, half stepping back on left, shuffle a quarter turn right. I'm back at 12 o'clock, weights on my right. Section 3, kick to right diagonal, cross, touch behind, back, together, cross, side, quarter turn right, stepping together, now facing 3. Last section, press forward on left, recover, back, step right forward, back, tap left forward, together, step right forward, sweeping left, step left forward, sweeping right, and we're ready to start over facing 3 o'clock, weights on my left. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. There are arm movements. They happen on the chorus. The chorus is when you hear her sing, "You shot me." That happens on walls 3, 4, 7, 8, 10 and 11. The arm movements are in 2 sets and they happen just on sections 2 and 3 on counts 2 and 3. So I'm going to do the dance facing you, which would be wall 3 for example. And that starts facing 6 o'clock, and then the arm movements will also be at 6 o'clock. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the whole dance.